What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my brand new condo tour. First things first, I wanted to thank everybody for making this dream possible. It's always been a huge dream of mine to live on a top floor of a condo building, and with the help of you guys, you made this possible. Just kidding, this is not my spot, but I want to give a huge shout out to my homie for letting me do this little MTV Cribs tour. I'm not sure if he wants to be named, but you know who you are. We'll just keep it at that for now. But y'all are with me. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour and show you guys how dope this place actually is. So first things first, we're gonna start off with the entryway. It's a very minimalistic household. If you're wondering where we are, we're in San Francisco, and if you know anything about SF, it's very hard to find places that have crazy amounts of space. So if you don't have over $10 to $20 million to spend on a house, you're more than likely going to live in something like this, more of a condo vibe, minimalistic, a little bit smaller, but super nice. So let me bring you guys around. And again, I'm gonna highlight some of the crazy things that he has in this specific spot. I wasn't gonna make this video, but I feel like it would motivate some of y'all because it has motivated me to just go harder. So hopefully one day we could own something like this for ourselves. So we just came in through the front door and we're already greeted with the kitchen. Now, one thing that I really like about this kitchen is how the cabinets are seamlessly integrated in the design. I really like the minimalistic look and the attention to detail, man. This is absolutely insane. Can y'all believe there's a fridge in this? That's how you know it's fancy, when you can't even see the fridge, bro. And right next to your fridge, you have a spot to hang your coats. Super cool. I just love the soft clothes. This is amazing. Look at that. Right over here, we have the kitchen. And honestly, I was looking at the appliances. It's either homeboy got a crazy maid or this boy doesn't cook. Cause look, you could freaking eat off of this thing. It looks so clean. I don't know too much about ovens and microwaves and all that stuff, but this looks fancy. When you see that thing that says made in Italy, that's how you know. Even the microwave looks like it's never been touched. Another thing that a lot of places in San Francisco lack is the laundry system. So having a washer and dryer in your crib is actually a crazy luxury to have. My favorite part about this condo has to be the living room. As you walk in, you're greeted with this amazing view of San Francisco. Of course, we have our dining table right here, but I really wanna highlight how nice and cozy this living room setup is. It's a mixture of the furniture, along with the lights, along with some of the other appliances that are in here that fully tie everything together. This right here is $1 million view. You're right in front of the Giants stadium, so you could actually watch all of the baseball games from this window right here. Of course, you have the skyscrapers in the background. You could see the hustle and bustle of the city. And during the day, I feel like this view doesn't really do it too much justice. At night is when you see a lot more of the beauty pop out, where you see, you know, the lights, you see the cars moving on the Bay Bridge. This view never gets old. If I could compare it to anything, it almost feels like you're on a cruise ship because of how close you are to the water and how high you are. It feels like you're actually sailing. I know the video won't do it justice, but I wanted to make this video again to show you guys, in case you enjoy this stuff and you want something like this later on in life. It might come sooner, it might come later, who knows, but this spot has been making me feel super inspired. This is my first time trying this bubble couch. Now this one is from a company called, it had a tag on it, let's see. This one is from LA Mod. And I think it's a pretty expensive couch, but it's super comfortable. And the decor in here is just top notch, man. I was sitting in this chair all day yesterday. Super, super comfy. Look at the coffee table. I love the shape of it. It's so simplistic. Like, this is not too much, but it is at the same time. I don't know how to explain it. Again, the vibes with the lights, the fake plants, and just the setup is top tier. It's 10 out of 10 in my book. What really got me when I first saw this place was this picture frame. So it looks like it's a piece of art. And I swear at the corner of my eye, I saw it change. And I was like, wait, what the heck? What is this? It's actually a TV that is disguised as a picture frame. So it's fully flush with the wall, and you could change the art to whatever you want it to display. And the art actually looks like it's painted on and has this matte finish on it. Here is your future bedroom. This is where you're going to wake up from. You're gonna get that crazy view as always. I think this might be a king size bed. I'm not even sure. I sleep on a full size back at my crib. Over here we have the mushroom lights. We also have a leather wrapped nightstand. My boy got the suede bed frame. I've never seen something like this. The pillows are attached to the bed frame, and then the suede wraps all the way down, going along the entire side, feeling extra luxurious. I feel like I need to add more of these stands and more lights, I guess you would call it, because at nighttime, they set the mood. I love them. And mirrors are also important for making the space feel a lot bigger than it is. Closet is on this side, and that is an actual piece of art. It's not a TV. And this is the view from your bedroom. So I could see if I lived here, I would be sleeping right here, because when I wake up, this is what I'd wake up to. That is freaking crazy. It's all good vibes. You got dogs down there running around with their owners. The water, we got crazy boats on the dock. And then the Giants field is right there, smack dab, right in front of your window. And then of course, you got the crazy buildings in the back. Here's a quick glimpse of the bathroom. I don't want to get too crazy in here because this is all his stuff, but nice bathroom, nice tub. Oh, I almost forgot to show you another favorite feature of this spot. It's this Sonos soundbar. So I have this linked on the YouTube shop, which should be down below. I think this is gonna be my next purchase for my crib. When it first turned on, I was like, whoa, what the heck? It doesn't have a sub or anything. I think it's all built in. And if you listen to music regularly like I do, I think this is a really good investment. I don't know if you guys are like me, but when I see things like this in person, it just has me asking so many questions to myself. What is it going to take to get something like this for myself? How am I going to do it? How can I improve? And how can I do better? And I think those questions are always questions that are good to ask yourself. I think a lot of people think that certain things are impossible and they won't be able to see it in their lifetime. I always feel like everything is possible as long as you give it time, and as long as you're working towards something, you're going to make that progress and you're going to make it happen. You just don't know when. It could come sooner, it could come later. I know this was a quick little crib tour, and it might look crazy to some of y'all, it might not look crazy to some of y'all, but I know each and every person that's watching this video has dreams that they want to chase. They have dreams that are not accomplished just yet. Just know that we're gonna go out there and get it. You might be at a low spot in your life right now, or you might be doing really well, but just remember that everybody moves at their own pace, and everybody is eventually going to have their time to shine. So with that being said, I want to say I love you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick MTV Cribs tour. Again, shout out to my homie for allowing me to show you guys this place, and shout out to him for making this possible. So I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.